Last time, we have done a video where we showed the basic commands used in networking. And today, we're here again to show the process or steps in installing Windows Server 2019 in VirtualBox. But first, what is VirtualBox? VirtualBox is a powerful x86 and AMD 64 or Intel 64 virtualization product for enterprise as well as home use. VirtualBox runs on Windows, Linux, Macintosh, and Solaris hosts and supports a large number of guest operating systems, including but not limited to Windows. To proceed, ensure you have VirtualBox installed on your device. As we have launched the VirtualBox, we can see this blue button. Click it. Then here, VirtualBox will ask a name we want for the virtual machine that we're going to create. In my case, I will type Windows Server 2019. After that, change the Windows version of our virtual machine to other Windows 64-bit, as we are going to install Windows Server OS and not the typical ones. Then click Next. In this second part, we just need to assign the size of memory that we want for our virtual machine to have. For example, 2 gigs of RAM. Grab the slider or simply type 2048 in the text box, then click Next. Then in this third step, select Create a Virtual Hard Disk. In this fourth window, we just need to leave it unchanged since we are not going to use this virtual machine into another virtualization software. And here, select Dynamically Allocated. In this window, we will see another slider and text box just like what we have earlier. Just grab the slider or input to the text box your desired hard drive size for our virtual machine, then click Create. The next thing that we're going to do is installing an OS into the virtual machine that we have created. To do that, just simply click Settings near the New button up here. Click Storage, then press the empty text. Once we have clicked this text, locate and press the blue disk icon in the right corner of the screen. Here, VirtualBox will give us two options but select the option saying choose a disk file. Once we have pressed that option, libraries will pop up into our screen. Here, just look for the ISO file or image that we have downloaded earlier. Then when we have already found the image file, click it once and press Open. Then press OK. And we are done. We have successfully created a virtual machine running in Windows Server 2019 operating system.